Hey, this is Richie from Crazy Rides Inc. And I'm here with another episode of What Am I Going to Put on the Bike Next? We have the Ciro light bar. This is it's not a light bar, but it's the bar that goes and covers the rubber gasket that's underneath the windshield on the Road Glides, the Road Glide Special 2019. And it shows chrome, but it's actually black. And we also have the lights that are sequential when you put the directionals on, and that'll complement everything in the front. So I haven't opened them up, I haven't looked. I'm going to try to do this with one hand if I don't make a mess. All right, so let's see what I could do here. Okay, there we go. Oh, there you go. Very nice. So this is what they look like. Be nice if I had them right in front of the camera, right? So this is what it looks like. They have a plastic cover over it. Comes with two, one for the right and one for the left. And screws and instructions. How nice. It's always nice to have instructions. I hope you can hear me well enough. Here is the centerpiece, which is going to give me a hard time. The box has to be opened a certain way. Okay. And I got it. And that's the centerpiece. You don't see much of it because it's in a blister. So I'm going to try to hold the camera and take it out without damaging it. Okay, there you go. So it goes like that. All right, I think the best thing for us to do. Okay, that was pretty good. It's difficult doing this by yourself. And I'm using a handheld for my phone. All right, let's go in a garage and start disassembling it. This is where it's gonna go. One piece. Nice, trim, clean looking. Very nice. And the centerpiece. So here is the rubber from the centerpiece. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on it. And that's going to make it look nice and clean. Okay? You got the idea? All right. Idea what we're doing here. We're going to take the two screws out on both sides. We're going to pull this cover in here off so I can get to the wires and remove the windshield and mount those directionals and centerpiece. So it's Phillips screwdriver, and I'll go get the equipment that I need, the tools I need, and start disassembling it. Okay, so I'm here now. Took the windshield off and the vent cover, or the vent, and I'm locating the directional wires. Directional wires, which I believe are over here somewhere. Hopefully, not too hidden, where I gotta pull the front off. And this side, it's right here, and this one is right here. Okay, let me get to that. Okay, so this is what they look like before you put the covers on. And here's the front piece, nice and clean, good accent. See how the directionals work. Nice. You can see the light on the other side. And this is before the covers go on. Got a nice look. Nice and bright. Complements the front piece under the scoop, and it follows the whole thing through. And now we'll just tighten them up and put the covers on and show you the finished product. Okay, so here's the finished product. Nice and clean looking. You can only see one side. That's the other side. Let's turn it on. Nice. And that's the finished product. This is Crazy Rags Inc. And I'm signing off. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe and the notification for future videos and installs. Comments are welcome. Thank you.